LUPNUMBER is a system for safer, smarter transport at your site. The system will help you educate truck drivers in safety rules and plant routines, and you can handle truck traffic at your plant. Truck drivers top the accident statistics on serious workplace accidents. More than half of the serious accidents occur during loading and unloading on site. With LUPNUMBER, you can more than half the number of incidents. You meet the legal requirements and get safer, smarter on-site logistics. Let's look at how it works. The key component of LUPNUMBER is the LUPNUMBER page, which is a page on the internet where a factory's information to the transportation companies is displayed. Each factory has a unique number, a loop number. Now we will look at Loop Example Factory, number 87313. You can find it in your own browser at www.loopnumber.com/87313. The LUPNUMBER page is available in several languages. It contains information about opening hours and how the driver can find the factory. It also contains information on what preparation is required. Now, let us drive there. On site at the factory, the drivers check in on a computer. I choose my language. Today I'm going to the dispatch area. I choose that track and then fill in my information. I will be welcomed in my own language, and today I will also see a temporary note of an ongoing construction work. Then I will go through the factory safety training and other important information. I get to do a knowledge check. I sign the test digitally and get a printed receipt that I am approved to work on the site. If I have been to this factory earlier, the system will recognise me and I will then be allowed to skip parts of the slideshow. Now that we can communicate our rules clearly to the transportation companies, we can also make strict demands that they comply with the safety regulations of the plant. We can report discrepancies and if drivers violate the rules directly in LUPNUMBER. Most companies already have a system to handle deviations. Often, however, it may be difficult to submit a report and a stressed forklift driver may not bother to report minor deviations. When it only takes a few seconds to report a truck driver who is speeding in our area, the willingness to report these issues increases. We can hence better capture true deviations and get a better basis to communicate back to the transportation company. We also get a better picture of the deviations that are common for our plant so that we can work to reduce the risks we have. It is common for many trucks to arrive in one day and several drivers are carrying out the check-in. There is a possibility of setting up a monitor at, for example, the forklift driver's office where they can see which trucks are heading through the gate right now. We see here which drivers have just been let through the gate. This information can also be shown on a tablet that may be mounted in a forklift. LUPNUMBER helps you communicate between factory and transport company. An important information is time, and the carrier or the individual driver can announce an arrival via the LUPNUMBER page. The booker chooses a time. We see in the box in orange, which warns us that many other transports are booked at the same time. The carrier will fill in the order number and the booking code and make a booking. The booking enters the system, and in the gate, the gatekeeper can see which trucks are pre-booked. We can easily check them into the area. The gatekeeper can also make manual check-ins for those who are not pre-booked. Once the truck is done and leaves the site, we will check it out of our system with one click. As a site owner, you have full control of your flows and can see detailed statistics on these. We can handle the capacity of the site, and we can get a clear overview of traffic patterns over weeks and throughout the day. We can also follow turnaround times. The statistics in LUPNUMBER provide us with tools to work more efficiently at our site. It should be easy to administer our factory. In the admin panel, we can change the information on the LUPNUMBER page. We can see the log of digital signatures and search for individual signatures to check who has conducted our safety training. We have looked at how LUPNUMBER works and how it helps you to safer, smarter transports. please visit www.loopnumber.com or contact us at info@looptechnologies.com for more information.